Thinking of installing One UI 8.5 beta right now? Hold on, because Beta 2 might be the update that actually fixes everything. Samsung rolled out the One UI 8.5 beta program just over a week ago, and yes, the first beta looks impressive on paper. But right now, only the Galaxy S25 series can access it, and early access doesn't always mean the best experience. Beta 1 is more about testing than enjoying. It's built mainly on internal testing done by Samsung developers, not real world usage. That's where problems start showing up. Early beta users are already reporting bugs, performance drops, UI glitches, and unfinished features. Every issue, complaint, and suggestion is being sent directly to Samsung through the Members app. This real user feedback is what truly shapes the next update. And that's exactly why One UI 8.5 Beta 2 is worth waiting for. Beta 2 will be more stable, more refined, and far more usable than the first release. Samsung takes all the feedback from thousands of Galaxy S25 users, fixes major bugs, improves performance, and polishes features before pushing the second build. So if you hate dealing with bugs, random crashes, or unfinished features, waiting for Beta 2 is the smart move. Another big reason to wait: more countries are joining the beta program. Right now, One UI 8.5 beta is limited to Germany, South Korea, the UK, and the US. But with the Beta 2 rollout, India and Poland are expected to join the list. Samsung has followed this strategy for years. First test, then expand. As for the release timeline, Beta 2 is expected to arrive around December 22nd for existing participants. Once it drops, new regions will open up, but don't wait too long. Beta slots fill up extremely fast. So yes, One UI 8.5 is exciting, but Beta 2 is where the real experience begins. If this video helped you, hit the like button. Subscribe for daily Samsung and One UI updates. Comment below. Are you installing Beta 2 or waiting for the stable release? Stay tuned, because I'll be covering every major One UI 8.5 change, hidden feature, and bug fix right here.